Hey you, still awake? I knew it. You're supposed to be asleep, remember? You're always going to bed really early and then somehow scrolling, thinking, overthinking. I see you. Hey, look at me. You can rest now. You've done enough today. In and out. That's it. You don't need to fix everything before you go to sleep. You don't have to be on right now. You're allowed to just exist. Close your eyes for me. Pretend I'm lying next to you. You've got that sleepy face that you make. You know, the one I love. See? I know you too well. Okay. Just take a deep breath and let me talk. Okay? You're safe. You're loved. You're doing enough. You don't need to rush healing. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be you. And honestly, you being you is my favorite thing. You're strong. Even when no one sees it, you're still strong. You're kind. You're thoughtful. And you deserve rest. Let it sink in. Imagine those words wrapping around you like a little blanket. Soft, warm, steady. Hey, you're still awake? If you are, that's okay. Sometimes your brain just needs to believe nice things you hear. So let's try again. Round 2 of me telling you how wonderful you are, coming right up. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to slow down. You're allowed to be proud of yourself even when you're still learning. You are safe in your body. You're safe in this moment. You're allowed to take deep, calm breaths and feel them all the way through. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Doing very well. You don't have to carry today into tomorrow. You can leave it right here, right now. You've done enough. You are enough. And I'm proud of you. No, seriously, I am. Even if you don't think you've done very much, everything counts. Trying counts. Being here counts. You're loved just the way you are. Your body's starting to get heavy now, yeah? That's good. That's what peace feels like. Let everything get softer. Imagine laying under the quiet sky. No noise. Just pressure. You don't have to say anything. Just rest. You are loved. You are valued. You are enough. You are safe. You are wanted. You are allowed to rest. You are still worthy. You always were. And if I have to repeat that 100 times for you to believe it, I will. I know you would do the same for me. So here it goes again. You are loved. You are loved. You are loved. You are loved. You can drift off now. You don't have to keep listening so closely. Just let my words float around you. You're safe. You're warm. You're cared for. The day is over. The night is gentle. And your heart can rest now. Don't fight it this time, okay? I'll be right here when you wake up. Close your eyes. Breathe. Let the world fade out, one heartbeat at a time. Sweet dreams, sweetheart. Still not asleep yet? That's okay. You can start again. I know you don't mind talking just a little bit longer. And I love you. So I'll just keep telling you it until you drift off to sleep. Ready? Deep breath in and out.